It's the Bob the Builder Mash and Mold construction site. Thank you so much to Fisher-Price for sending it to us. There is an entire pound of moldable play sand in here, and I'm gonna think it's probably more like kinetic sand. Mold, build, demolish. Okay, baby dude's really excited. What's in there, little dude? What did you find, baby dude? The instructions. Wow, is that the wrecking ball? Oh, a crane? Is that everything? Here, let me do a box check. Beep, beep, beep. There's something very heavy in there. Maybe it's the whole pound of play sand. Yay! It is the whole pound of play sand. Oh, there's all kinds of molds on the side of this. It looks like there's molds everywhere.
Oh, we didn't get Bob on them.
Oh my goodness, little dude pointed out we did not get these guys out of the box. Bob! It's the new Bob the Builder. Oh, okay, here's Dizzy. And here's Wendy. It says you can configure the base of the playset any way you choose, so that's the way you chose, little dude. Tools can be stored in any of the hex pieces. So that means you can put the tools in any one of these little slots right here. Connect the handle to the mold piece. And then you can place the mold press garage over any opening on a base piece. And then we put this on any part we want. So we'll just put that over there. Okay, there are almost too many molds to even keep track of, but the first one the instructions talks about is how to mold Tiny the Crane. Okay, it's time to open up the whole pound of kinetic sand.
Yeah, kinetic sand.
It reminds me of brown sugar.
Yes.
And it's in a reclosable Ziploc bag. That's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, the first things first, we're gonna try Tiny's mold. So his mold is open. Pop it in here. Press down and release. And there's a little brick piece. Okay, the side of the crane has all these little molds. Let's check them out. Pliers. Cement bag. Barrel. Bricks. And a sawhorse. Let's turn it around and do this side. A crate. A nail. A screw. A screwdriver. And a wrench. And the crane has a wrecking ball that's a mold. The wrecking ball makes an I-beam.
What's an I-beam?
An I-beam is a type of beam.
What's a beam?
It holds up buildings. There's the I-beam. It's shaped like an I, a capital letter I.
Whoa! Mommy!
What'd you make, baby dude?
Yeah.
Let's see. Did you make some bricks? Okay, time to press the sand into the tray. Put this tray onto the platform. Okay, slide the tray back. Press down the mold stamper. Ooh! Let's slide the tray out and see what we made. Wow. We can do the same thing for the orange tray. Okay, boop, boop, boop. Mold it.
Mold it.
And slide it back out.
I want to try.
Okay. Okay, let me peel this one out.
I want diamond.
Okay. Oh, wow, a grate for air vents. Oh, what are you making, little dude?
And a surprise.
I can't wait to see. Ooh, it's a Bob the Builder logo. Baby dude has the orange tray. Little dude has the blue tray. Now slide it back.
Now got it back. What? I do nothing. My turn.
What did you make? Wow.
Bobby Builder. Bobby the Builder. What is that spot supposed to be?
I think that's just the back of your mold, so you can pull out your mold and see what you made. Wow, it looks like some wood grain and some other texture.
Now I'm gonna do?
You're gonna saw it apart. Oh no! Let's check out some of the other textures we can make. Here's Bob and Wendy.
Bobby Builder.
They make footprints, boot prints, work boots. Here's Dizzy. Let's see what he pops out. A garbage can or some kind of construction barrel. Oh, cool. Where'd you make those at? Very cool.
And on the other side, I'm making a drill bit and a screwdriver.
Here's Bob's yard gate. We can use it to rake up some of the sand, and it also has a couple of molds on the bottom. Let's see what they make. Oh, cool, bricks. Okay, we can scoop some sand with the play shovel, or we can press it in here and see what it makes. Wow. We can use the hammer to mash it down or make cool textures. Woo, look at that. And the saw can make a caution gate.
What's a caution gate?
So that nobody goes past it. This wheel can roll across and make designs as it rolls. And it can flatten the sand too. It made a wrench. Next, we can take all these bricks and put them on here and launch them. Let's stack up some bricks for the wrecking ball to knock over. Really high.
Bob the Builder.
Bob the Builder.
Bob the Builder in the silver. Fire down pillow.
Okay, here I go. Oh. Okay, Bob the Builder Mash and Mold construction site. What do you think, baby dude? Okay, I know that was really. What do you think, little dude? All right, lots more kinetic sand and Play-Doh and mash and mold sand on our channel, Dudes in Toyland. And as always, thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what you would build with the mash and mold construction site. And as always, don't forget to subscribe.